Hello, fellow peoples. It's dark. You high already?
A little bit, but no.
We're going to see.
Yeah, we went to Catalina and Tahoe in 1 month.
The lights. At the LA Zoo, the Christmas lights. I don't know what it's called. LA Light at LA Zoo. I don't know what the event is actually called.
It's just lights at the LA Zoo.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never been. She's never been.
I've never been.
We've never been. Oh, the adult look didn't get better when you put the glasses on.
But I can't see when I'm
We
driving.
look like adults. We look our age. It took a long time, but now we look our age. I'm just gonna...
There's just not. It didn't hurt or anything. It came up real.
Nail people problems. I'm sure.
Oh!
You see what I see? As soon as you put them on, I was like, oh, damn.
Whoa.
We look all of 26. I mean, still youthful, still have youthful energy, but we definitely are looking our age now. It took a long time.
What's our window? 7, 8?
7 to 9.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Okay. And
but
but
even-
even 10?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I knew that we probably weren't going to make it, but, you know, just in case. Also, LA traffic on a Thursday. Today's Thursday, right?
Mm-hmm.
LA traffic on a Thursday is trash. Now your phone being all loud.
I know.
Don't you be one of those old ladies? Sorry, I have some nasal drippage happening.
She got mocos.
I do. It's this weather, bro. I don't. LA is so warm in the day, and it gets not like super cold, but where we live, it's super freaking moist all the time. So it makes it extra cold. Take your glasses off. I see you struggling. Look at your good phone.
It's because my eyelash was on my lens.
I think there's mascara in this. Either mascara or eyeliner, and I'm trying to get it out without smudging everything.
Alright, well, we'll talk to you guys when we get there. We'll take lots of video and pictures, hopefully.
Hopefully a lot of animals are out.
Oh, I know, but it's night.
That's true. Well, a lot of things are nocturnal. I don't really know how it works. I don't know if we're able to, like, see the whole zoo or if there's only a specific place we're supposed to be in. But I guess we'll see when we get there.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Anyway, today we're having a tournament. So we're going to the store. It's a beer tournament. Where we're gonna drink beer. Tournament.
It's called Pitter Patter Tournament, and it's 100 shots of beer in 100 minutes, and you cannot throw up, you cannot pass out, and you cannot use the bathroom. We seen it on a show that we like, and we decided to do it. I'm probably going to have to pee, which is gonna eliminate me from the competition.
You can have like the backwash.
What you mean?
The beer backwash.
You nasty. She's so disrespectful to me. This morning she's been very, very mean to me.
I haven't been mean.
I don't know what's wrong with her. I took her on a cute date yesterday.
And then you wake up to act up the next morning just like a man.
Uh-uh.
Just like a man. Do something. Yes. Just act up the next morning.
You know, sleeping, and she said she was going to go shopping, and I was like, don't leave. Stay in the bed.
And then I was like, well, then come on then. No, we should have did honey and lemon because it was green tea.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm just saying, like, we wanted the most out of our flavor with minimal, you know.
Honey and lemon. But we're on our
I
way
made
to
her
the store.
tea. I made sure she had water. Got the receptacles out. Then I get you clothes.
You threw clothes at me.
But I got them, didn't I? Bigger picture. So addicted to all the things you do. I think that's this one. I'm pretty sure. It's time to change cases.
It is.
It's white. It's time to change purses.
I don't have
A white purse? The blue one would also suffice. I need
I have a gray one.
I thought
The
this is winter.
one is gray.
We could both be wearing bucket purses. I don't
Did
think
I
mine's
give-
considered a bucket though.
I might have given my Michael Kors wallet away.
You did. Something was wrong with the zipper or something.
It was cute.
Well, I know that would have been the reason why you would have gave it.
Yeah. I was very excited. It was old. Like, I used the fuck out of that wallet. But I thought it was super cute. That was a very nice gift from Sandrine and my parents. Don't laugh.
Sorry, just in the sentence.
Yes.
You know?
I think Sandrina bought, like, the purse, and then they bought the wallet, or vice versa.
You start making too much money, I'll stop talking to you. I want you to know.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna just be like, oh, she's bougie now. Oh, no, I'm kidding. I don't, man. You know, I'll be looking online at these people. And they be talking about how they friends. It's like, sorry, I realize I don't have a...
I always think that this button is a send button, and I'm always like, why won't it work? But
This is forward, right? Or reply?
Yeah, that's not the send button at all. I was also going to email her, even though I actually really don't like her, but I'm trying to see if there's any stuff available for
Conservation.
Oh, anyway, yeah, people be talking about how their friends switch off on them when they got money or something. I don't know. That should be blowing my mind.
I don't imagine that being the case for me, but you know, you also cannot predict the future like that, so.
No, like, there are other people, the people who aren't making money, like, they making money. I mean, the people who making money be switching up too, but that's, like, the age-old story, you know?
Yeah. Well, don't switch up on me. What the fudge? It's fairly simple.
Damn, a nigga can't change his spots overnight? No. I'm like, no.
Oh, thanks for putting my seat warmer on. I appreciate you.
Some goodies for you?
Yeah, which one is it?
The indica mix with some tropaya in there, which is an indica concentrate. A little concentrate in there before you.
You know what we need to do when we come home? We need to sit and write a list of the events that we want to do at the beginning of the year. Because the Letterkenny thing we want to do, we already got the Mine tickets, but the Jasmine Sullivan.
Oh man, if her shit doesn't sell out.
I don't want to. I would like to see Rico Nasty, but I don't want to see her opening for whoever she's opening for. I just don't feel like that'll give us what we're looking for.
She's opening for
whatever his name
Playboy
is.
Cardi or something, right?
Yeah, but that's all of the crowds that have been booing her.
Yeah.
Just let her do her own, and I'll pay for that.
Yeah.
But there's other events that I can't think of that you sent me.
I don't know. I just be sending shit.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God! Don't drop the baby. Not the $700 baby.
It's not gonna drop.
No, it's heavy enough to stay. I really can't believe they fucking graffitied on his thing. I would have been hot.
Oh, that's what he's super pissed off. I know. But he presents like an ass, so.
He does. They need to take those Trump stickers off. I know that it's not for him, but the way in which that it is written, it looks like he's for Trump in the middle of an ethnic community. So.
I mean, the ethnics, they liked Trump.
Not this area. Once you go up a little bit, that's a different story. But here, I didn't see many.